Good evening. I'd like to explain a little bit about our computer science project, and that is to create this pattern, actually a set of patterns, in Python programming, except that there's going to be some differences. We're going to try to take, whereas we see three of these patterns going across. Sorry, it's a little bit translucent, but the idea is to try to take one of those patterns and duplicate it. As you notice that they're congruent shapes that are going by a 3 by 3 row. In this project, we're going to make it go 4 by 4. And so we need to make sure that the dimensions are going to be correct, as well as the color is going to need to be such that, in the example here, you see that the pattern color is brown, the background color is light gray, and what we're needing to do, the task for us, is to take the brown color, or this will be user-defined colors, color 1 and color 2. We'll be able to define those colors and then switch those colors, where this pattern color will now be the background color, and the background color will be the pattern color, and that happens on every subsequent pattern. It'll switch each time, so it kind of looks like a chessboard. Anyway, so that's the project that we have in front of us. We're going to take a look at some of the techniques we use to get that done. First off, we're needing to realize that we are working on a grid, and a lot of times in a grid, as you've seen in the XY coordinate system with a map, we are in a situation where we have to orient ourselves. And notice that this grid, this pattern, each one of these patterns is 6 by 6. And if there's 6 by 6 and there's 4 of them, we're going to be in a place that's 24 units across. So if the center of our viewing, because a big point of being able to create this thing is so that the people can view it when they run the program, the center of that pattern is going to be at 0, 0. So that means that the upper left-hand corner is going to be at negative 12, 12. Or actually, if we make the size user-defined length, this point here is going to be negative 12 times that size for the x value, and positive 12 times that size for the y value, because everything is squared off in grids.